have no idea why.
Okay, but this key start the car and able to open the door. But the back is the problem.
Right.
Okay. But that key working before or in the truck?
My brother passed, and so now I'm running the funeral home. I have no idea.
Okay. We take it out the cylinder because we can make the key because the cylinder is fucked. Alright. Unlock with the same key. Oh, sorry, to the right. Lock and then unlock. Like new, right?
Yeah. Awesome. Great job.
Thank you.
All right.
Alright.
Okay.
Thank you.
very much. Do
You're
have a
welcome.
card?
I can give you my phone number if you want. I don't have cards.
So
Alright.
what country are you from?
Venezuela.
Venezuela. Oh, okay. You've been in the news a lot.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you.